Hello sparkle lovers, welcome back to another video from Mythful Diamond Art. My name is Netta and today we will see one more finished canvas from the canvases that deserve to shine. This is a little out of season, but I just finished it, so it is okay. You can keep it in mind for next year. I'm talking about the Christmas deer. Focus on the Christmas deer, which was 50 by 65 centimeters. It had 71 colors, including 5 AB and 6 Cupid dust. I started this one on December 22 and I finished it on March 14th. It has 52,000 drills and it was my second finish for the month of March, my fourth finish for the 2026 year, and 26th finish overall. It is pretty confetti heavy. I am slow demo painter, that's why it took me 52 hours and 25 minutes to finish it. It's super cute. I had it on, I kitted up on my bottle system, as most of my kits, because I love this drill system. I want to take you through the special drills really quick. I had more than enough of anything. I didn't run out of any color. I didn't even get close to run out of any color, if I remember right. No, I have more than enough from everything. And the special drills, which is good to save for different projects. So let me zoom you in and take a look-see at the special drills first, and then I will show you the canvas. First we have AB 550. It's one of my most favorite AB colors and colors in general, the 550, the purple. And then we have AB 758, which is this light orange, peachy color. A Cupid Dust ZG 315. It's brownish, a little red brown. Another Cupid Dust ZG 402. It looks more yellow than it is on the camera. It is a little pale tan brown color, very light. A silver Cupid Dust ZG 415. AB 3778. I will not show you where they are on the canvas because they are in so many places that it is really hard to remember or search looking for them, and I don't want the videos to last for 5 hours. AB 3830. We have a lot of natural tones here, brownies and that. AB 5200, a white AB. And 3 Cupid Dust to go. A light blue ZG 3325. This is beautiful. I really love this color. A yellow ZG 3822. And the last Cupid Dust is ZG 3860. So let me put this aside, zoom you out, and flip around this baby. Are you ready? Here you go. Isn't this just precious? I think it was the cutest thing I've done so far. I really love his face with his beanie, and I really love all the specials. It was really fun to work on, a lot of blues, as you can see, not many greens, even though it is a Christmas kit, not even any reds, but I think it looks great, especially these snowflakes that are the white AB. As you can see here, they give a very nice detail. And here on the bottom we have the Cupid dust and a lot of ABs on the little deer. And this cute little face. I think this face is so freaking cute. For sure I will put this up on Christmas and have it showing it around. I don't have much more to say about this kit. It was a real joy to work on it. I didn't run out of any drills. I didn't have any problems with it at all. I didn't have a section that I was worried how it will look. I was sure about the outcome. I have several kits. If you watched my Aphrodite, the video I made couple weeks ago about another finish that had Aphrodite, that I had a part of the diamond painting that I was worried how it would look, and it looked great, of course. I didn't have any objections on this one. I was sure that it will be just precious. So here, that was another kit that deserved to shine. Hope you agree with me. Let me know in the comments if it is something that you will have on your radar for next Christmas, or are you a seasonal diamond painter, or you don't mind at all. And if you will put it on your wish list, you can also find it in the rounds. Sometime in the future I will do it in rounds too, so I can have a comparison project, but for now we saw only the square kit. I have said that many times before. I will say it again, I don't really like rounds, working with rounds. For me, rounds is like diamond painting with lentils. But yes, I think it is very interesting to see how they look between them, the round and the square, how much alike they are, what are the differences, and things like that. So if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button so you can see any future videos that I will upload. Until next time, take good care of yourself and keep on shining, because it makes the others jealous. Love.